Hidden Wi-Fi networks, also known as SSID, Service Set Identifier Hidden Networks, are those that do not broadcast their names. While some users opt for hidden networks in an attempt to enhance security, this practice can inadvertently introduce several vulnerabilities. This report outlines the security risks associated with hidden Wi-Fi networks and provides recommendations for safer alternatives. Security risks. 1. False sense of security. One of the primary issues with hidden Wi-Fi networks is the false sense of security they provide. Users often believe that by hiding their SSID, they are protecting their network from unauthorized access. However, determined attackers can still discover these networks using specialized tools that scan for hidden SSIDs. 2. Network discovery tools. Many tools exist that can easily detect hidden networks. Attackers can use software such as Wireshark or Kismet to capture packets and identify hidden SSIDs. Once they find the network, they can attempt to access it using various techniques, including brute force attacks. 3. Increased vulnerability to eavesdropping. Hidden networks may lead to increased vulnerability to eavesdropping. When a device connects to a hidden Wi-Fi network, it must send the SSID in every probe request to locate the network. This information can be intercepted by attackers, allowing them to identify and target the network. 4. Complicated device connectivity. Hiding a network can complicate device connectivity, particularly for guests or new devices. Users may need to manually input the SSID and password, which increases the likelihood of mistakes. Misconfigured devices might inadvertently connect to rogue networks that mimic the hidden network, leading to potential data breaches. 5. Limited support for security protocols. Some devices may not fully support modern security protocols when connecting to hidden networks. This limitation can lead to weaknesses if outdated encryption methods are used, making the network more susceptible to attacks. 6. Difficulty in monitoring network activity. Hidden networks can complicate monitoring efforts. Network administrators may find it challenging to track user activity and detect unauthorized access attempts, which is crucial for maintaining network integrity. Recommendations. 1. Use strong encryption. Instead of hiding the SSID, ensure the network is secured with strong encryption protocols, such as WPA3, to protect data in transit. 2. Regularly update firmware. Keep router firmware up to date to protect against known vulnerabilities and exploits. The ubiquity devices at the house, e.g., UniFi access points, routers, security gateways, etc., need regular firmware and software updates for optimal security. Whether you manually update them or use the automatic update features often depends on how you have your UniFi controller or other ubiquity management interface configured. 3. Implement strong passwords. Use complex passwords for Wi-Fi networks to make it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. 4. Consider guest networks. For visitors, set up a separate guest network with limited access to internal resources, which can provide security without the need to hide the primary SSID. 5. Utilize network monitoring tools. Implement tools to monitor network traffic and detect unauthorized access attempts. 6. Educate users. Provide training for users on the risks associated with hidden networks and the importance of following best security practices. Summary. While the intention behind hidden Wi-Fi networks is to enhance security, the associated risks often outweigh the benefits. By understanding these vulnerabilities and implementing stronger security measures, users can better protect their networks without resorting to practices that may lead to increased risks. Emphasizing robust encryption, strong passwords, and effective monitoring will significantly improve the overall security posture of wireless networks.